Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a POCO F5 Pro, and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and then let's scroll down to find notifications and control center. Then scroll down to the bottom and tap on the status bar, and as you can see here we've got the battery indicator option, and we've got three different ways of showing the battery. So we've got only the indicator, we've got the percentage inside the battery icon, which I've got right now applied, and next to the battery icon. So all you have to do is to simply tap on the option like to use, and as you can see it will be immediately applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.